Are you looking for some movies and TV shows for free? All available on your Fire TV stick today? I hope so, because you've come to the right place. I'm Lee. Welcome to my channel. I'm here to get you the best of the best for your Fire TV stick for your streaming pleasure. Guys, if you're looking for some movies and TV shows, first things first, we're going to need to download a little program. It's called Downloader. Easiest way to do that, come down to the search icon and type in Downloader. This gives you the ability to download or sideload applications onto your Fire TV stick that may not be available in the Amazon store, but definitely available on like the Google Play Store. So click on Downloader. If you don't already own it, get it, download it. I already own it, so I'm just going to click on it. It's going to download it, throw it into the queue, and install it. Okay, prior to opening it, let's go to the home screen because we need to jailbreak our Fire TV stick and enable the downloader application to sideload applications onto your Fire Stick. So we will go down to My Fire TV. And guys, if you have a latest updated Fire TV stick, you may not have developer options listed. If you don't, click in About under Fire TV stick. Click your select button like 7 times, and down at the bottom says, mine already says no need, I'm already a developer, so now you are too. You go back to developer options, click on it, turn on ADB debugging, under install unknown apps, turn on downloader, and this gives downloader the ability to install other applications that are not from the Amazon App Store. Moving back out, and while we're in here, let's go into the About and make sure our Fire Stick is updated to the latest and greatest version. So check for updates now. Mine's already been checked today, February 5th. My Fire TV is up to date, is yours. Make sure it's up to date because some of the applications aren't going to work on the older OS or on the older versions. Now let's find Downloader. Since these are applications that we're going to use regularly, use the 3-line button on your remote and move it to the front. Now when we're on our home screen, these applications are right here, ready to go. Now let's open up Downloader. It says allow downloader to access photos, media, and files on your device. Say yes. And then we say OK. You can read through the quick start guide if you'd like. In the URL, we're going to type in a quick link, 546835. And this will send you right to our website, ledbytheunknown.com, and gives you the ability to find applications for your Fire TV stick or Android device for your streaming pleasure. After this quick 5-second redirect, you can click on, once the page is started to load, click on the 3-line button and add current page to the favorites. We can save. Now it's saved to the favorites. So on the left bar here, you can click favorites and boom, there it is. And there's no 5-second redirect anymore. And then you got applications, all that you need. So we're going to click on the downloads page. And under the downloads page, we have how-tos, top 20s, or top 25, top 5 applications to get for your Fire TV stick. Now guys, that you have this up on your TV, take out your phone. Take it out. Scan the QR code. It's going to come up. Click. And then it's going to let you head to the NordVPN page, sign up. $3 a month, 67% off right now. It's their exclusive New Year's VPN deal. Trusted by tech experts. Oh yes, the security you need, the features you will love. On your way through, there is a little pop-up to sign up to my newsletter if you want to learn more about getting the best apps for streaming live TV, movies, and TV shows. If you don't want to, just hit the X. Now, under movies, TV shows, and live TV streaming applications, today we're going to try FreeVTV. This application, yes, is available on the Fire Stick, on the Play Store, on the Google Store, on iOS on the Apple Store. So we're going to let it install and then click done. Let's not open it yet, because once we click done, we want to delete the APK file because we no longer need it on the Fire Stick because now we have the install package. So as you can tell, it says it's ready to install. Let's go back to the home screen. On the 3 squares plus sign, we can come down and try the FV for free TV application. We can hit the little 3-line button again, move it to the front, and when we're back home, it's right there, front and center. We can click on Free VTV. Startup on new applications usually take a couple moments for them to download all the pictures, get all the content they need, so bear with it quickly. Sign in with Amazon, always free for everybody. Use your camera for the QR code or activation. So we can get out our camera again. Sign in with your browser. Put the info you need in. It might give you a 2-step verification. If you do, click on it. And you can either use a password or no password. Register the device. Gives you the actual activation code that's under there. And here we have free TV. So up top, we have search, home, live, movies, TV, my list. So we just go into the home here, as you can tell, new movies. Judge Judy, or I guess not Judge Judy, but yeah, it is. Judge Judy, some Hollywood. As you can tell, stuff's still slowly loading here. Matt Damon, Stillwater, Lorax, Marksman. So a bunch of popular movies, new movies for this month. So some classics under the TV, reality, drama, action, comedy, anime, crime, British, recently added. And then under movies, movies of the month, action and adventure, horror movies, recently added. Comedy movies, drama, sci-fi. And the list keeps going on and on and on. Alright guys, if you like that, click the subscribe button and give me a little thumbs up. Please, if you have any questions, put a comment down below or throw it in the ledbytheunknown.com website where I can definitely answer your good questions. Anyways, everyone take care, happy streaming, and peace.